We started out with the gateway programs in Japan and Korea. So we took 2 missions in both countries. And later on we did the trial missions to Malaysia and Vietnam. I think Japan was a good success story for us because the Japanese policies on sustainable energy were very much in favor of our products. So we could easily enter. Korea was a little bit different. So we started out also on a fact-finding mission, identified local people who understood what was going on as far as policy making was concerned. And then we ended up with one partner, which was KOGAS, Korean gas company, as a very strong player in sustainable energy. And most of the contacts that we established there were done by the local organization hired by the Gateway program. So they got us in touch with all the important players in the gases market. They got us in contact with the most important players in the future energy area. And because of those first contacts, we already got some interest in our products. And then we just, throughout the year that followed, we just went back once or twice to just talk to these companies on how we can work together. And then on the second mission, we in fact already signed some contracts. We embedded the Gateway program into our market entry strategy. So we took a different approach for the first mission and the second mission in, for example, Korea, where the first mission is very fact-finding based. So we were mainly focusing on speaking to policymakers, speaking to local governments, understanding what's going on in a country and where we can sort of enter. And then we would go back and do our homework, and then the second mission was more focused on finding the right partners. For Korea, we have a partner with a very strong research arm because it's KOGAS, it's a very large semi-government type of operation. So they have access to the market, which is very important for us. So in order to get our products into the market, you need somebody who's already in the market. So that's where they can help. But also on the research part, the Koreans are very good in basically product development type of research, not so much the fundamental part, but bringing the fundamentals into a product. They are really strong. So we have a joint development agreement with them as well. Well, there's several advantages of doing this. So the first, you're embedded in something bigger, which attracts other people. So if you go alone, you'll have to make your appointments, which will be inefficient because you'll be traveling a lot and you don't always get the right people on the table. So if you embed it in something bigger, which is sponsored by the EU, then other people will tend to attend. So that's the first big advantage. A second is, of course, all the whole framework that's being supplied by the Gateway program. So if you start a mission and you be very clear about the type of companies you want to meet and the people who are important, they will actually do a lot of field work for you before you go.